Good morning. I welcome you all in your maths activity class. Today we'll do activity of paper abacus. Okay, we'll do the activity of paper abacus. We'll represent three-digit numbers on abacus. Okay, for this we'll need something. What do we need? Let's see. We need such kind of things which is easily available at your home. No need to go to the market. Whatever things are at your home, just use these things. Okay, for this first I have taken one scrapbook, piece of scrapbook. Any color you can take. This paper and your mama's bindi. Colorful you can take. You can take same colors bindis. See that? Big or small, depend upon your strength. See that? You can take it from the drawer of your mama's dressing table. Okay, but take the permission. Without permission, you should not take. And I know that children love to take mama's things. Fine. And for abacus tricks, abacus, what is abacus? It's a tool used for counting, but today we'll make it on a paper. Okay. For this you can use straw. Straw, the children used to drink. You used to drink juice. That is also available. In place of this, you can use sticks. You can use ice cream sticks, or you can use matchsticks. Small. You can attach with this and glue. Fine. These things, what we'll do with this thing? We'll just cut into 3 pieces, because we have to represent 3-digit numbers on abacus. We'll cut into 3 pieces. We'll stick on a paper, and then we'll put bindi as a beads. In place of beads, as we find beads on abacus, so we'll put bindis on a beads and we'll prepare one activity. Okay, just let's start doing. Fine. Now see that I have stuck this pieces of straw on a paper like abacus. Your abacus model is ready. It's a paper abacus activity. What is required now? Now we need beads. In place of beads, we will use bindis. Okay, we'll use bindis. As I told you, you can take bindis of any size. Either it's colorful or plain bindis. So let's take bindis. First, for putting bindis, we need compact form, number of compact form. Suppose I have one number 152. It's 152. It is 152. So what does first spike of the abacus represents? It represents ones. It represents ones place. Second, T. The middle spike represents tens place. And the last left spike represents hundreds place. Okay, hundreds, H for hundreds place, T for tens place, O for ones place. And I have a compact number also as 152, 152. Left spike, 100 spikes. It is a place for 100. It is a place for tens, and it is a place for ones. Now let's start putting bindis. How many is bindis? At left side, we'll put one bindi. Okay, I'll put one bindi. See that? Are you watching? One bindi. In the middle spike, I'll put 5 bindi, because 5 is written at tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Are you watching 5? Again at this spikes at one's place. How many is 1 or 2? It's 2 written here. So I'll put 2 bindis in place of beads. Are you watching? 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 1, 2, 2. How will you write? Now we will write as in expanded form. We'll write as in expanded form. 2, 1, 5, 2. Let's start writing. Expanded form. As one bindi is at hundreds place. So 100 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bindis at tens place. 5 bindis are at tens place. So 5 tens. 1, 2. 2 bindis are at ones place. Plus 2 ones. 100. How will you write 100? 100 in other way. Plus 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. And see that. Then after 2 ones. It is 2 ones. So plus 2, only 2. Ones means only alone. 2 ones, 2, 5 tens means 10. Okay. As in a place value form. So 152 is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 2. This is expanded form. Okay. Now according to beads, according to abacus also we have seen expanded form. Place value also. Place value. To make the clear concept to you as place value and expanded form. Place value we'll see how. What is the place value? If I ask what is the place value of 2? Place value of 2. Place value of 2 is O. That means ones place. What? Ones place. What is the place value of 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place value of 5 is T at tens place. Place value of 5 is at tens place. Tens. 5 tens means 50. 5 tens means 5 tens means 50. 2 ones means only 2 alone. Okay, we have already discussed in our previous classes. So if I ask you how many ones are there, see that ones, tens, how many hundreds are there? Now H, how many hundreds? Only one bindi I am watching. So place value of 1 as place value of 1 is hundreds place. That means 100. That means 100. Okay. We have understood so many things. Place value also, expanded form also, and paper abacus. We have formed the model also. Okay. In many ways you can use it. You can use stick, ice cream sticks. You can use matchstick in place of these straws. And in place of bindis also you can use other things. You can color the paper and cut it in a circle way and you can stick it. So now our paper abacus activity is ready. See that? I hope you all understood. So that's all for today. We have understood expanded form also, place value also in this activity. Thank you.